So in this lesson we're going to be using functions, and I'm going to explain what these are here. This is basically just a great way to organize especially larger scripts with multiple components, especially if there's parts of the script that might need to run multiple times, so you want to reference them. So if you remember in the introduction video, I created a very simple script here, and it's going to be in the main section of the script. Now what you would do here is you click on main, click on this red circle here to add a function, give it a name. So I'm going to call it introduction, and that's where I'm going to put this script. I'll save changes. Now I'm going to go back to the main. I'm going to copy all of that script that I created in the introduction. I'm going to cut that. I'm going to go to introduction, and I'm going to paste it so it's got all of the actions there. Now if I go back to the main, there's nothing here. Now if I want to reference that function with all of the actions in that function, if I go to script logic, then go down to call function, go to function name, select function, and then we go introduction, click OK. And then what happens when I click play, it will play everything in the introduction function. Obviously I don't need to go through all of that script again. And that's it really. And you can create as many as you need. It does help to keep everything organized, and I use this for a lot of my scripts. For very, very basic small scripts, it's not necessary. You could probably do everything in the main section, but for scripts that are more complicated and things that you need to reference several times, it helps a lot. Because for instance, let's say there's an update to a website, and you've got a specific set of actions there that you reference several times. You could just basically alter it once in this function, and it'll be updated for every time it's referenced in your main script, if that makes sense. It's as these tutorials go on, this will make more sense as we go through. But that's one of the best ways to get started with organizing the scripts. And I'll see you in the next video.